Hey Strike family, Colonel Lopez here. Today I want to talk to you about a very important topic, and that is the redeployment and reintegration of all our Strike soldiers coming back from Iraq and reintegrating here at Fort Campbell. It's vitally important that all our soldiers, both married and single, when they return from Iraq, they have a successful reintegration. We want to make sure they're mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, and financially healthy, and here's how we're going to help them do that. The first thing we have planned is our redeployment briefings. These are briefings for all the spouses of our deployed soldiers. The briefings will take place at the Family Readiness Center on Fort Campbell. Our briefings will begin today, Thursday, 8 December at 7 p.m. at the Family Readiness Center. We'll also have one tomorrow, 9 December at 10 a.m. Then after the holidays, we're going to run two more, both on 6 January. The first one will be at 10 a.m. The second will be at 7 p.m. It's really important our spouses come to these redeployment briefings. Not only will they get great information from all the resources on post on how to have a successful reintegration, but you'll also get specific details on how it's going to go when your soldier lands. Where you go, where you park, how long you're going to be there, where you meet them. We're going to give all those details at this briefings on those dates that we just covered. The next opportunity I want to talk about is called Financial Peace University. This is a great program for couples to meet every week for 12 weeks to work on their finances and understand how to manage money, debt, investing, saving, all those critical pieces to having squared away finances. Financial Peace University will begin on 8 February. If you want to sign up, text the chaplain at 915-235-5229. Or you can sign up at any of the chaplain booths during our reintegration activities. The next thing I want to talk about are mini couples retreats. These are designed to happen during your soldier's 5-day reintegration process. There'll be free childcare provided, and we'll be offering these during lunch and later on after the workday. Highly encourage you, keep an eye out and talk to the chaplains about when exactly these are going to occur, but these are a great event to jumpstart your reintegration with your deployed spouse. For all our single soldiers, I highly encourage you to take this reintegration period seriously. It will be January when you're redeploying. That's the time for New Year's resolutions. I highly encourage you to set some financial goals, some spiritual goals, some physical goals, and use the reintegration time to interface with people on post that can help you meet those goals. In closing, I just want to say there's a reason why we're taking this reintegration and redeployment so seriously. Historically, there is a spike in domestic violence, suicide ideations, and misconduct when soldiers redeploy from combat. We don't want that to happen. So please, take this reintegration seriously. Use the assets that are available. Task Force Strike, we're proud of everything you've accomplished in Iraq, and we can't wait to see you back here at Fort Campbell.